Here is a quick walkthrough of the project module in OPS360, making it simple for you to understand how to create and manage projects step by step. Let's get started. From the OPS360 dashboard, click on the project module from the left menu. At the top, you will see a search option that helps you find previous project easily. You can filter projects by project name, team, status, or even who created the project. This makes managing and tracking projects quick and organized. Now, click on Create Project. You will see two options, tasks per location and tasks per user via role. For this walkthrough, we are selecting tasks per location, which means the same tasks will be assigned across selected locations. Now, you will be asked to choose a form from the list of available forms. Here I am selecting Floor and Planning form as an example. Now, along with project title, add instructions so your teams understand what exactly needs to be done. Here I am writing, this form is used to review the flow layout and ensure all planning details are updated. Now I am choosing the team who will be responsible for completing this project. For example, I am selecting all employees, which means the tasks will be visible to everyone in the selected locations. This ensures broader participation where needed. Next, I am selecting the role that will handle or oversee this project. Here I am choosing Project Manager. Role-based assignment ensures the task reaches the right people based on the responsibility. Now, select the locations where this project should be applied. Here, I am selecting all locations, which means the project will be active across every branch or site. This is ideal for standard processes that must be followed everywhere. Next is the range option. Range controls how many tasks are generated at one time for the selected locations. For example, if you set the range to 150, OPS360 will create tasks for up to 150 locations in one cycle. This helps prevent system overload and allows better task management, especially for large organizations. Now, let's configure recurrence. Recurrence decides how often this project repeats automatically. Instead of creating the same project again and again, OPS360 does it for you. Here I am choosing weekly, which means the project will repeat every week. Now choose the start date and time for the project. This tells the system exactly when the project should begin and ensure tasks are assigned at the right moment. Next, you will see the option when should the project stop. For this example, here I am selecting never, which means the project will continue running based on the recurrence settings. Now enter how many times the project should repeat. Here I am entering 2, which means the project will repeat twice according to the selected recurrence cycle. Now you will see an option to choose which day of the week the project should repeat. OPS360 allows you to select any day from Monday to Sunday depending on your workflow. For example, here I am selecting Monday, which means the project will automatically start and assign tasks every Monday based on the recurrence settings. Next, select the due date. The due date defines the deadline for task completion. This helps team prioritize work and ensure timely submission. Now you will see Auto Archive, Auto Approve and Enable Missed Submission. So basically, when you choose Auto Archive, the project will automatically move to archive once it's completed or after a set time. And if you choose Auto Approve, this allows the system to automatically approve the submitted task instead of waiting for manual approval. And if you turn on the Missed Task Submission, user will be able to submit the task even after the due date has passed. This ensures important data is not missed and allow late submission when needed. Next, choose the number of days allowed to complete the task. Here I am choosing 10. This ensures accountability and timely execution. Now, select the reporting manager. This person will monitor progress, review submission, and receive updates related to this project. Before finalizing, click on Preview to review all project settings. Once everything looks correct, click on Create Project. Your project is now successfully created and active in OPS360. I hope this walkthrough helps you understand how easily you can create and manage projects in OPS360. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.